book ebo momode eyen tutuye eyen hihye ni ya ene AGM meeting no ana general meeting no etimi ekoso ani nebe na ya bomode ni edidi nkomo akra na aboa mane ma deda die da mentini anta kosi se no na beba ye be page mu na mom no yesi showdown merchandise no ya bomode netimi ayen tutuye ni ya niama ekoye kama pa etimi era manti one kade no ye de aba ni na se Kings ya kase Fridays bia ya na team ne transe ebomode abo ejuma honorable Kennedy or compre kwa Japan na jeze juma e don pimpa ne born se de honto to no esi etie no ya na utietie bi abo amane ma dadi mpede mantino Fridays bia ye sorry efi so a Ramzan on nine bebo akwa ramu no nsia no ye de kensa ne na eba na ye se ne abomode e de nema toto na kwama onzi enche be kwa koto aba no owo ebomode atisi ma works awodo na etimi ekoso di no owo se de nema ne si ekọ ne se de honto to no esi etie ne die rerama e de owo so obomode na ramna uti bi na eboa man hihye no eda ye kama pa so etimi ede ma na ba udwuma pa e na opimpa ne bo ne se de ho akade no esi etie 21st connect semenka emfa cho so me expect isiatica dwumadi omudi ne ma omudi ewram no ya de damufu a ne aboa man hihye no na konanim ye papa eboa na ne ma de da ye soro etimi era mana mu nkomo no de ma ne ye de no me pacho eninie eba ne siatica on sensem omudamufu a me ka so no be bisa se siatica de ye de what transia ma to asinti no etwetwon atwetwon awram na echi obebi one rentu anama dabi no oba bebubu na bia ba ko a ye bre ne aso ano etimi era ma no 21st Kaneka yebebo no wajana so na nema dadi mpere amanya no nko amobo modian yarewa hodo na no yehwe edi hu dwuma ebo ama hihye ndeda yesu no etimi ede ema kama bi say stroke diabetes no omaso no motenete yemo abibidro a enko kunya nsusuanso bia wo body nima ebesa abo ama wajian na so your laboratory no makwa ebedu so abebi aye ne chena scan services no yebo modi Friday bi after work to for na je massage no ye nyoma no ne yebo modi the machine treatment no etimi aka more than 15 branches or wani chemo Ghana bibia omo bo ejuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omo bana for radio obo ase council court so obenya omo call junction akra do me market no unyo omo sunyane enkranza techiman bibia omo ebo ejuma so ebo manama da ye pa etimi eramanti fa number no nane omo nkasa 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 no ada yeso no etimi ede ama na drinks no eye mienu pe eno ana ye bobo a ama ahode sonko ne aba nyaba betrama ye dwuma no ba ko ye mixer 5G habamba ni nduaba na ye dia ye na ne de no ye sonko ebesa ma ahode a esiesuo na ne makoye pa era ma Ghana omu adwena de benyane no grapes no eye ye nemo no adwagense no eyi yintini mu na afi so kra no ye wo green tea a enane srade ni nyina o mixer 5G ni mu ena mizo fruit drinks organic fruit suso ene de aba nyaba be roma eboa na hihye na koye pa etimi era manti didi onkomo na emoa na dwumade no enko kama pa so no etimi emfa emma se na ye na aba abedinto na aba mixer 5G mixo food drinks no wapomode ram na aboa na bibia adeda ye pre etimi edi amana mu nkomo no edentini sera hihye ni sitie faramba yi ni mpemfo ni nkomo na emoa na unsa enka 0246 27221 0246 27221 0558 106348 0558 manager Daniel out 21st clinic obejibi ho be kind supermarket obenyabi na mama Esther adumni asundua na sepono outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University no ewebu akwa ojibi PNC Ventures anomanji taxi station OC Charity Hospital Junction na Sachi Enterprise no orwani choma safo abinchia OC VIP car park no obomode no ajibi amadaroma ye run here din koma akra na na mediema Sporting Club Limited e ka chozo mu buo marketing de money achemo US na ne omuri video we aba bonti anra ye didi nkomo no nkoye mu no ye nti akra na yere sele niam ye si aircraft so mu fimo e ba be ramo Kotoka International Airport ene niam e ramu timediema omu video no nkomo no sele niam esiatia no edidama amomehwe akra na yenko anim na mo na hihye no etimi ekwe ese ni esiatia
Ushemi, jiweni no Sipoli, kuluye, fise sini ye brody Fretty fee, C50, lifestyle ye bully Oba trappers, mini niggas, me kuwi te puti Mini me dabo se kasa, ni jo niggas, oba kasa go moving Sompa, Bibia say I'm ready for Ekasa. Baby boy, I'm not in love. Me, I will go. When you have to go, you buy your boy. When you get one,
me name a kata for bakum ye no share my ever unsa kata for na ba mo de papa sa ya ba mo to me kata for a pim and the bed up of him man just pull up on the street with a game where ya
used to be a demon.
Right, ya bomode na ye rum na to no adeda dina bibia akọ kama pre team ye amanti mamen koko ramu ewa amano ne kakra France na me ninkomo ye nemfie zazenra na ye tititi report bi fi be chemi United o maso ya ni amande dadi imana umpo moko de
nyame admo minia
bibia wo so no niama ekọ kama bibia so de dana kwamo
o nyankopa daro bibia koboko asi.
Now, imagine him for the past 2-3 years, in the Ghana team of Mujum and also Mujuma Pa, Bichim United. It is a league, you know, to so Samanya, they're crying in 4th position. Africa final be crab Baby Ramna. This is, you know, a coach, you know, Koy and then say about maybe when he's a player on the zone now. What ain't there? Kozo.
You mean your medals and I'm a connection to a charity food now. I said, okay, no crack. We share seasons at Tremua recently. We have been United Modemaya and I there also. Near Henry says season, yeah, boy, a shot and keep it to me. I did that kind of performance will be who say done the DFA Trem, everything in the room. But unfortunately, near man called the rear, yes, expecting the sales here coming. We say there's new hands album in terms of the leadership of our technical team, a head coach, new head coach now, but you know, you too, you need some time, and the way I'm ranting between I get used to the philosophy and other things. But with all said and done, no, like I said, we've had series of meetings, and yeah, how this year first one to never, and you best share supporters now, but say going forward, things are going to change.
Aramu say na manya no chemu kakra ala ne no enwumre na yenimze report bi ne na abontia ye ka say mo technical director oti akenten era mo head coach Bismarck Kobe Mensa mo ne omo atranse a ne ma bom na situ ne ade minim za nkomo no kra bi wo me no kra ze ne sie no kra bi nsu nima de na ma zansem ne bobo de ba.
Well, after a match ne me dem a ball every question that we send them on Saturday. So on Sunday, management and technical team have a meeting. The way forward for the club because results are by Nyadia, so Nyadia factor the status of the club. And meetings they make us see a whole lot of meetings between management and the supporters leadership. So I say the supporters in Sudan after the game against Medium and saying but now see to me first so now how this year first to never. And then I say the top hierarchy of the technical team share the big in command and yeah how this year first to never. The state of the technical director and then the head coach. Like I said, Omuna Edaso a playing Tigra who United to make the and they still remain as members of the club. And Sabiam Loka say, Omunaya at post Omukusu to make the Mabukunity. And someone in our bonte say, Ye Jomo Quino, Mekase, Okribia say.
Iman Zemze na ya na ebobo ba no edin we all check team no to say me no shall see performance ne ade the way forward no ya ku anim no de na mo be tutu na kwa mo be bo abi wa ze be James supporters ne worried per se ne be si ko no season no mo share bibia asese da ze ne man share anko ye ma mo di ne ya ku anim no de na mo management no commodity am no technical team na di no mo de tu na kwa mo bo ama supporters ni no makoma to mo yam.
Yeah, senior supporters the team do makuma sono. We had the resources fast so quiet, especially on Saturday match. Na supporters do na kase. We say ja coach na kwa man ko, but we say commodity any more the any meetings I with the leadership of the supporters union. Na ya mo metimi the reasons why I was saying that only tie coach and the technical team that. Senebaya, we say team no results. I was in Kenya and Yen starting but she would see a tight team that she that's a boy technical team just on which me attend things around. Sabiam no can say a DBA was a management putting in place. So the technical team a very sound mind. In terms of formal preparation for the impending game against Legon City. So if make sure they put all those things in place. So maybe I'm ranting between above more than at least get my 10 things around. So far there, like I say, everything is at peace. I will be chill. And we have a technical director and a video analyst and a coaches set us a assistant and a head coach Bismarck comments at the CBP other than outcome come going forward they will be able to make amends.
Yeah, the last say na your mom ranting be o juma na omo ye no na ano edem pa na we no mama me bisa we twene eze contract extension hu nkomodie no mo ne na wi ali oba be extend the amamo ana zene no zo esi etie.
Well twene the captain of the side and before say you be taking any decision beyond on player being on the bay leader already Bobo. Yeah, now there are certain obligations. Or say club no yes, so now there are certain things so also will play and also and now I can say it's whatever that we have between United as a club, any player from Francis training make us be that April. And that is the reason why I also to me say, indeed, over to me about the captain and band. It's not simply because we wanted him to continue to stay with the club and the captain and band Debbie. But I mean, we're hearing more than or Babu Kuno, what than the achievable Kuno, and the kind of performance, what than the discipline level, how the relationship with the colleagues is. Head coach Bayern and all recommended my management say he's the one that he thinks I was with Bubu Kunen. And quickly now see a net now any necessary arrangement be our CA so the captaincy rule that will be did and the Abu Bukuno or bit many peaceful and sound by yet the Juma. Into the United and the American CPI activity.
Wow. Last time I was on a new dean command I can say team no more young players be more modern so nipa a bit is Ironessa Mone Clinton Diodu minimum so mo future no ye ba be nyom say full season we no on be body amount we nim say last year na teams bi no didi in koma nanka omura mu amano nti omo ye ba be nyom say season na sha so omo ane say omo ba dia akwa kuwi ana omo so omo nkomo no senate.
Well, no question say originally na or senka omutimi ko ansa kwa na season ya shase but changes kakra by nti ye bibia ko share January but nyame anu kwani wo the real results issue corner after 4 matches and was just 3 points. They have 2 integral players and like I say you be here more team papa, so we are still looking at how we able to make arrangements through January na you have be a team na ordinary be true na omoko na they will not be we will not be affected by omo departure and the player. Why not you let them go and then give opportunity to other guys no so work on our team but see consider as if they go be affected team the performance and then probably you will keep them then the season the banner a whole lot of discussion and more future clubs number kono so ayedi kita honga continue they would do so money in because you want the best for the players and you also want the best for the team so almost situation it's either say by January and maybe on the call looking at the situation at hand by then and this also a season corner then near Timamo at Tiapo.
Na ima meja mo akobara ze mu team no so omo hedin pa we o me report that message patamu no ya na second division no mo bone ade no omo modern damu chonko ani mi ho nkomo akre this season players ni bi ma promote mo fi ode o maba aba be ram senior team no say na mu team no so esi e ko because omo hedin pa o.
Oh yeah, youth team omo very very solid make I say last season middle league, omutimi nya kwenya hokobobi and from the team youngsters before say coach Mingle ebe last season or promoting Koran from the junior side and don't be joining the senior team. This season so coach Besma Kobe Mensa by with the help of your technical director who's on which I can share the team youngsters. I'm talking of you youth team on the home also.
Yeah.
And also I promote some of the players, some of my team about 5 of the players are making a promotion from between youngsters into the senior team. And me sure say as time goes on, the boys say you introduce your monka in some of your matches now, but the free summary during the preseason, normally senior team training and even during our unveiling, you almost say you almost so more than I say near my coin, almost bit me at the camp at their bubble book. They say no video analyst night Naban on Suba support. Utia Kenten, I'm on Metimia Boama, a youth team very solid, send a bear on Betimi FCD, a senior team. Going to be Tayana, the those big name players that we know always Kodana and a form Nafi, we give them the platform to excel. We have so many of them, but a gradual process of which I believe as time goes on, you be more of Clinton Joe Dumone, more of Iran Issa and the other players.
Adima merasi ze ye ba waso ye ewie we wabo mode amemra ye din komodi ye da se pa bi so aye besan ba why
but me ya mesme da se pa
ti no ye nua Emmanuel to ahini JC and ado ani chiemo we from Paris agome oni Ghana ha na oni around imania ze imawo France a ohwe na wadi djuma na aboa na niama deda ye pe timi da mano ntino na e wo se etwe ben na ye gye nkomo no to a confirm dia cheze nya no kre zo ma pamo mu coach no na coach ne technical director ni na wo a omo eye djuma boa ma niama deda din pa yeah
I'm say my friend na me nya no where no so ni kroma na me say hey Jesse no
zo no ne course no ye o kin USD no the mom we French you know the last she be no be
there's a course law I let it it was school it drew on my say you choose between France or Togo.
Oh okay.
As at that time when you school I don't know what the moyen say but France let me say kakra and I Togo so what they I'm imagining say watching your friends go to France.
Now go to Togo. Oh no, I could be Nina and easy what treat you.
So from Benin, no, then
go to France.
What's the semester be?
Mate, Massa Panaya to us. No, ma menka netimi fancho say Daoud Heba Hospital Limited. Ni Dr. Daoud. Ejuma doko bona no edindoro odindupa abedwama so a zenonya bi na bomode etimi no mebeboa na wajana so atimi amane makoye pere amana bako ene Daoud Heba Mixture zene Maria Fever na edunya ewazo honam na yomre ontimi nsori utipai wona mfifre tew onya Daoud Heba Mixture ni bibo ebere na eyi sa ha oni nyina etimi refi omo a enso se yen kemfa ncho se so ontimi ndidi a orepesa do ni bibo na ushia doka obomode no abon nsamrane uzampa ejuma pade oye biye papa asande Daoud 360 capsules no ababa bewram ze obi a usisi yoya and afi sasabro wo so one tin mo twetwenwa nunya Daoud 360 capsules ni bi na abobebo amanema de din pere amana wabro no na waji Daoud ointment no ne de no so atato ze ne waposo no aposo yoya sasabro edunya unsa so untin mo emu twetwenwa ngo de pe Daoud ointment ni bi na fasasa na de sasa abon se hyi kama pa etimi ere ma weboa nanema deda yeso etimi ede amana mu nkomo no ese ne sitie pemfo etimi anum bi na afia kwada unya embru mfie no dumiensa kwa enimu a onum bi a enye ye no okọ heba show bi ebe on pharmacy and over the contents ra obomode no wanya bi na obo Daoud nkomo na din aye ka no ene se sehwi eduro no na jezen habama na timu ye papa dudo na eboana asiesi amanema koye etimi aramanti farambai na ne Daoud Heba Hospital Limited mpemfo ni nkomo ne mboa na yenso ano ntimi emfama na nkwankoye kese 0241 244-012 244-012 na 0201-681-717 0201-681-717 na nema ended the year so no enfama Sompa Sika promotion ababa babazi de bi aka ewo ye main show no so full time no ye bomb de chiska na me chiska sa ntu de fa code no fa to baby na series here star 256 free hash star 256 free hash wa bomodin na we rama ye wo Sompa Kumase ntimu amu Kumase ne mpatamu no mon frɛ no ye wo Sompa sunyane mo amu sunyane no ma frɛ no Sompa nkranza mo amu nkranza no ma bomode etimi afa no utwa ba ku bia 5 Ghana cedi na we no nya twanko a ubedi enti wo so utwa no dodo ni nyina no so utwa no dodo no na likely so bomode na wadi na aboama ne ma koyie pe etimi ara ma enele ajeria tum na afo nya numfedu wotwe a emfa wo nhemizanza agro no mpinfo ne di ne yeboa ma ne ma koyie pe de man tino o MTN mobile money nko ade a o qualify so no obewura no abomode na Sompa Sika promotion no wetimi edidi di ho ana manema akoyire amayesmas yi be MZ bia de woni to so na jeje kakra de 2 year ebebo manema de dadi so etimi ra ma be Herbal Clinic ene mami abe zemen kanto zebra na brabe woman o so na dwumadi odi no eye dwumaso ni na zema mi ba yi waba nyaba beti kofodo do na nima mama ware no CPS ita zenne oye be ma wade ni so ama baby girls ni twa mpo adodo ena afi so kra ko siani a ba kum yenu miensa now die ya nema enshara nko yi entimi emfa manya no nko ene low spend count to do nya enam so amafie no ye twa wada papa adapa na no eden me pacho obomode rama me na so obe no aboa baby girls no ma baby ncheche enye denya akona infio no comfort de omo de agi ade se wan siesi oyi a ere how bebre ere betimi abro na honu betwa yopo a ana nema nko ye na ntutu en be dadia ma me bebre na wetimi aboa bosome so obunsa na e kaudwe zenne no fabre ne dunya na afetwa yaye egunkofo bebre ni mase e ma ne nyansa ne oro ma me na so obe na wetimi aso ano no wagia na so na nema akoye pretimi era ma sekese on sesem de o ene ne de me se keto akra akwada na yesi onyindu bebi obefimu no wo ma me be aso ye no enye no kode ye beboa na nyakwada no egia na so na nema akoye ma sekese test yes can test no o ye tano so apatrapa new site o obana patrapa junction 0243 345 345 and a 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa nane mande da yepa entimi enfama yenza ramuna semno NDD in Nkoma Accra na yere said 170 CTA in Accra to folk or one chimo civil service auditorium amobo mode ma ana general meeting no etimi call na dedi kan na togwe afede nice open pa na team na wono no edidi di Nkoma na di kan zenne no ohwe said ne mesi kwa yo niama bebre no na rewrama ama previous na nka oze AGM ekoso no entimi ankoso na say no obomode no no ochechi mu ne niama Amajumadi entimi ramse no den sem no etudwa.
Board of Directors, I wish to express our regret for our inability to hold an annual general meeting for some time now. This was due, as many of you already know, to the challenges that have confronted the domestic football sector the past few years. And you recall the truncation that resulted from the announced expositions and also the effects of COVID on the game.
Atia no ye komo bomo de to dwa cheza pa yo niama bebra eri ramu anase expose ne COVID na meeting we no erama na nyi na after no o me hu purpose no de ntia eri o ma baba behia o mo bomodin etimi edidi di san komo we.
Meeting is to present to you Accra Suffolk Sporting Club annual report and financial statements for the year ended June 30, 2022. Inform stakeholders about the current state of the club and give you an insight into our plans for the future. I'm happy to say that our accounting department has been up to date and the latest accounts ending June 2023 are currently being audited. And the plan by the board is to hold an annual general meeting again very soon, very early in the new year. Look at the latest accounts, that's accounts ending June 30, 2023. And that should make us sure the most up to date in this sector in this country.
Eltia no ye komo bo mo de tu ya jeza pa omo ehwe na jeze ni no account ewuramu no afia na jeze twam no 2022-2023 no ewuramu afefufu ni ma omo bomo de edidi di nkomo ahun se de niema esietie ni de ewuramu a ebeboa na hyehyɛ na dadi pa na niema etimi akɔ kama nti eno no yes ano na ɛwɔ se ehwe na the year and the review na season and the review no yedidi nkomo nti ne odi ewuramu a overview no 2021-2023 obomodi ane ye no so breakdown no odi ram no didi nkomo no ensem no se no obomodi ka etimi refer no so
2021-2022 football season. Having performed so well in winning the double in the previous year, the expectation of all stakeholders was that the team would defend successfully the league trophy especially and perform well in the ensuing CAF Champions League. Given these expectations, the board supported the recruitment of experienced players like Glasinawako and Kofi Koji in a bid to strengthen the squad. No changes were made to the technical team led by Coach Samuel Bwedu because of the confidence the managers of the club had in them. The 3-week preseason campaign was sanctioned by the board to provide the appropriate environment that would enable the technical team to properly prepare the team for the season ahead, especially for the CAF Champions League. Despite all the above, the team failed to live up to the expectation of stakeholders and the board at large. They failed to glitter in the league and neither did they perform in the CAF competition.
Eltia no ye komo bo mo de ka etimi ye refer no so ani na ebo ma ne ma de da ye kama pra etimi ye mo a ye de mu nkomo no ewramu etimi ede ama na after no komodidie no esan eto aso obo mo de ka sep kakra e reform academy no na project a ina omo eye no opo bi man eno so se no obo mo de nsem no etimi ye de tuja.
As you are aware, it's putting up an academy which is at an advanced stage of completion. The academy upon completion will be able to house all the youth players of different ages and categories and have football pitches and other facilities that will be available for rental by other clubs and organizations. And many of you are already aware that ours is more than a football academy because we have, among others, an 18-hole mini golf course. We have 2 tennis courts, a basketball court, and a volleyball court. And of course, we would have the gym, reasonably good size swimming pool, and etc. So it means that we have facilities for those learning to play football and those learning to play golf, tennis, basketball, and etc.
Eltia no ye komo bo mo de tu dwane project e koso opo bi man na ne wa bo mo de etimi acheche mu kama pra etimi ra me so mo de no e call the Trafford boys and ne mo e wo basketball court o e wo tennis de o bibi e bobo golf ne ade a ne nyina na ebo amanto to ende da yeso no etimi e de mo kama pa na Bet Power Ghana Premier League standing game a eguso a e koso e wo dawo no game ne 1-1 o he sere ne City a Dreams FC mo ne bo mo de etimi take leading on the 3rd minute per penalty. Abdul Aziz Issa enya the first goal na 23rd minute no Abdul Manaf Umar ebo modenya equalize ebo amane makoye per mama rival no mama de hwe kakra nanki hu sere niam esieti a ta mama baba bedu ya na cheze omo kwa kobo game no ti game no ye ni edi echi papa de be ram bia no ye bo modena ye timi edi atudwa na abo amane ma de de ra mama ti game no 1-1 eno ye di enya na timi refi dawa ye de eramu so no etimi edi amana bibia so no etimi adada de no so fiwa menya no de ze nyambo ochena meetimi betimi akoso obono ahafo regional football association no omo asoye na meeting mu nkomo no ene sere nhihye ne isiete no de ade a simple cra nina ene ze ne pinfo na ejina ye bo modin akwakoto abayi ba akoso mbra ma be RFA president no Dr. Charles Anto Desinchedua asase ase ena Mishak Asante Amiao yesi ne no Ghana football Football Association Election Committee no ene omo kwa kushia na omo ne omo edidi di nkomo atwe omo ze bebi edu no e wo se keka ne mabom ne ehwe de ebe ya ebebo ama Ghana football no afa ne ntoma pifra izanze bebrebe ni nyina yewi a eye football no na edi nkunim ti report ne jezo chena ombeko akwa kushia sa mpinfo no na nkomodidie bia ye ne omo edi na abo ama ne ma de da din pa etimi edi ama omo ntie no ye di aba bi roma ho sesem no ye di roma de ama ntima no Michael Akomia na Jamfi ewa anom na mene no ne ntimi ento aso na ye rese de ne mezi agomia akwa babiem
mejo so menua
ye rum na emeze nkomo no wate dodo na ne interview na course no ima confirm say enye no kre so mo eja ene no omo coach ne omo technical director na kwa moda so ho a omo ebo ejuma anwumiri kro omo na di team no ekwa ko training na afi other news ebo be de banti rum.
Yes, so Abu Dhabi down me betena no be kan say it will be very sad say Kobe Mensah be pimu obi Chem United at NND even 6 months kra munya more half of the season crampon we na Mosak. You see the dynamics of the Ghana Premier League, you know. So Obi Chu move 4 points and Obi Chu move 5 points and your points. 2 consecutive wins. Ebet me left off from baby awodano. Edwa ba beto anim. Kotoko no mo da say. Na nye to no na no mo da. And no mo win your game against Accra Lions so do ma beto so say.
Do ma ba 10th. Oma be da animu. The last time na Vars Ikasi win on Muntimi win away matches. Na me zi brebe na timi win away matches me ensa to azo a.
Yeah.
Or them da.
Or them you see about left toe inti Bechem United supporters no madaroma. Munya abotrem fama no. Coach Kobe Mensah yehunu dwumadi a wodi ye ewo Karela. Ene yehunu kwa ofa so bo Olympics team survive the league. He's one particular coach e 2 years with time. Mo betin nyoma say with time mo behunu de wosem yema no na nyoma etimi akoyama results etimi follow when there is so much noise around the club and I told you the progress of the club no so tatwitwa intentem dodo and I man nko smoothly said you sit here say wo say etimi kone enko sa nti we de yesremo ada munya botre amofama coach Kobe Mensah replacing Kasim Mingle is not an easy thing. Abu, it's never an easy task. For replacing Coach Kasim Mingle, especially when you are filling in the shoes. Why consistent in the Ghana Premier League, have done so well in terms of style of play, identity. The players became automated. The guys automated as a players, you know, and then the ball no start not be fire to a certain extent. Say, Obiaj na park no so ni baby and yonko yedey, and nam to bobo na neko. But we a new coach, he needs to change the automated system to another part. These are the reasons why in Tiatembian, a Kasi Krumo say they are appointed coaches are. Yeah, TD na appointed, but more or less, you know, say if you need quick results, appoint coach that is also going to work in line with the Nipana Uja Honum Koi and the continuity. So I say, if you know your team style of play, you know how to appoint the kind of coach to come in. And there are some clubs that be a different, or more for be a man here, Emanefa. But Ogone has to say, or more your coach be ana. The Hannah was star on the heavy, they'll pick you, they'll bring you, but continuity is very essential. And having your main way, our personal style of play, team city bono, very important. It's about our choices of appointing a coach. No, it is so sabeboa. It's Abu Dhabi. Bechem for Munyabo train farmer comments. Everything will be okay. We are very fine. With time, you be in room into the second round and not stability at Timiaba. Then I'll move on to Accra Asufuk. Togba Fede is doing a lot for Accra Asufuk, but Abu Dhabi looks like still now Kanetiana near quite difficult. Kanetiano. Quite difficult. And do you blame him? No. Do you blame the club for Munya results? Yes, because one way or the other, if the club is getting results, more money will come in. Are they selling enough players to get money? No. Okay, the last time a House of Folk Town player $2 million.
Hey, now the crowd they be seeing Ghana crowd. $2 million. Ghana there's how they be seeing. Ghana premier teams in the day.
But for that, I say on the day.
I say all for the omodo mutimi.
I say all for the mutimi.
Mutimi ye near be a boama ni ye we ni ade.
Iti Abu uwe san your money nyina as an investor of a club like House of Folk, would we see nyina ship na unya the specific returns a uhiana and to the beer a hard drink a crap. Me to be me na or de kasana. Minim says can yes come to be there. But sometimes any investor, I also tell the investor be one mobile and I so yeah do person work at that. There be that. He needs money. And she secretariat I will see my House of Folk. Shenyoma wire Dama has folk with clubhouse. Share training grounds to Jumedia Woody. Look at the investment he has also done in the club for in terms of player acquisition. Coach is Ben Amompe, Wakofa technical director, Wakofa coach in Naba, and and I'm not sure they are going to be paid in cities. It's dollars. What did they mention as no? It is dollars. It is more or less. How I was it investing now? Then as players, as technical team, you need to do everything in your possible means. So the bear club need to be thrive. Club need thrive and I'm for so the sponsors be there. Because once you study a terrain in the league, now the more you win matches, the more supporters come to the stadium. The more supporters say stadium, the more corporate institutions are happy to bring in money and come and support the club. And down the entire kind of say, yeah, accounting if be separate legal entity. You can say separate legal entity and Chasedi Nani said the owner of the club and its activities different from the activities of the club. So more or less, the dream maybe as a company be a limited liability company. Separate legal entity bema a boase club nanka sentimimbo braso intimition where our owner nesu uma maybe or be so day. That is dependent on nanka san choice as to how he wants to do it. But hana kwa limited liability company no when you say na debia or sabetum so there most of the time the activities also affects the company and it hasn't worked so well for long term. What I say, drew maybe not in your man can the club take care of itself? On the channel. So the club needs to start raising a lot of money for the owner. I know say or no one choose penny phobia mum. But I honestly didn't see case so yeah, Juma man no afar say be Juma man. We are marketer no afar, we are general manager no afar say be Juma man house folk. We are CEO ni afar, and now we are part of the board ni afar say be Juma man house folk. Madaroma mun push it towards something and making sure say club ni be repaid. The bia na be so gu ano. Enye the bia na be so gu ano. And the best also they need good results to couple it with it and make sure somebody bet me a peer club no. It's a team no so no to buy to munt mean can't just to buy investment that supporters no so mon stadium mon ko hebo. No mon ko na mon ko hebo. No, if corporate institutions are not coming in abu. Na say bia results so for bibi man na say bibi sana. I know say mu be de one person ba ko treska ko but if House of Folk is generating at West 600,000 Ghana, 600,000 Kwadamakabibri, House of Folk is generating 150,000, 100,000 every weekend. Abu Dhabi, 150,000, 100,000 every weekend. It can cater for away matches home, kakra. So nimza.
Yes.
It can cater for them kakra. Minim say a boni be a ding. House of Folk they will tell on better. And I know say a mutu kwanko baby House of Folk be ni be skapa. Otimika so be a hotel the krama munti ame day. It is can be koshe baby. So watch the games. Munko the only source of money for most of our clubs no. I will not use even only. The biggest source of money for a clubs in your sponsorship says stadium gate proceeds. It is remwa madaroma. Mumwa club no yenim say no mamu the new coach baba it takes time. Said the OGD say o team bi no e wa amano na support ya wo hwese be build no. House of Folk, give it time. It's a new coach, it's a new system, it's a new breed of something. Results in the bay up and down. Support the team. Monko. A telebi krampa mo presence krano. Unim zeda boy am lose krano. Now then let's give the supporters abebo home action the previous one. Players no krabe hunu say
ye di team na bronti was ye yere.
Ye di team na bronti was ye yere. Niebo.
Awara wala wo tari glam this wade.
Dia ne ha no.
Za wasan pra.
Abu minya show say pra kese bia. What's the idea? This terrain of international breaking, I knew so most of the teams would release their players.
Time we know.
Yes, a plan don't soon. And planning free last year.
World Cup on time.
Schedule no. Any period and them. It place paper. I mean, what's the idea? Start the season ACL, muzzle, Sana place need the paper. And now league na do stage bi obi beka say enye mra e wo so otimi ma player timi ka baby and I be sa what I say. But if you leave for AFCON in January, they have to make sure say they get the best out of you from now and secure the points. And sana beba AFCON away day. Waba. Tariq is playing an integral role for Brighton and Hove Albion. And they almost 2-0 or what 3. And almost struggle with fullbacks. Now no just a solid match and a ball right back against Liverpool. They need to manage the workload. They need to manage, and whenever Tariq Lamptey is fit this season, Abu, how do they Manchester United Old Trafford?
Ball be bono.
And also Amos right back who?
Left back.
Or Boas left back.
Mate, my post Rabazo. Akwaba, Yansa Shisha. I mean, that Nadia craft, me no crash ya new.
There was and then there I end yes. A bendy, me banner, Oko Trawe, and so on, but
Aye.
But
some Pasica promotion.
I'm on for Nibra Breno. I'm the next time, so Trabe 5.
Oh, I also coach at Trabe, the audio. Yeah, but they don't the audio anymore.
Odi pneumonia, and Mozan and Yabris any number, but FIH, but on trust no because I'm on for near Bricracheno. It's a good thing, be on fellowship.
About Abdul Manaf Uma.
Yeah.
Starting season here, pal.
Or yeah, player be one or co training. The work rate or the shit training when one or co pack away.
Wow.
Ahead of Samate's game now when you knock or training into your bandaging in nine. On the day he was all over the place. Even coach but or no beside Sadat. So that game he played more central. And on the be on to be about more central or more prolific and creative. Every year Jumache on bonus roa. Or also a very mobile player.
Yes.
Or Ye Juma without the ball Ye Juma power. He's look last week. Omni Bechem he was good. This game he was the one who scored a winning goal. Even though yes, Colin Skujo Boba there. So any more say Obora man Colin Skujo ni onwa or Zadema 3 scoring players on any the Ometime show. So the attitude, the work rate, the discipline, the work ethic, you know, I was super papa, ye juba papa. And he's a very quiet, humble guy, but a bad one there is a different yeah, me penny attitude. This typical ceremony young guy or bobola, nenia brownim new person ye, maybe on casa after training no didn't come a crown and one, but a bad woman from has a folk, even has just say I'm fire man about quite you know. Boy, and it's the same form our replicating in Swatema. So trust me, Swatema will come good middle of the season echo because like Colin Skujo Raman, I think I was a Raman Bagotoko.
Yeah.
And I'm far everybody so Yari this game against someone no Yari. So Bobby Kakra any free mo. Colin Skujo first game after Kotokura is the first game against Swatema. The game for Swatema against someone else. Oboba. So I think our own players no. So with time they'll be able and don't forget Ahmed Asu is there. Sokai Kabran Ahmeda from Lagos Cities.
Yes.
So they have very decent team. Philip Red Canonia and Amo, but Philip will back after the Lagos Cities game to partner Isaka. So it's not they're not bad at all. On my dream going forward and trust me they will come good. And this time around 14 losses last season omunya wa way no coach person sense narrative no and until now so many dreams are stand no match in my shisa no because I'm person musa sa kasa so we the home man we are there way there so let's hope for the better hassle folk agomia bajo togbe ba be fat team no say oji to musa has situation say city team no japade FA players ye japade so nko team bia and any other properties include secretariat and then your person also some baby wo asase no the year name stores na bebre no ojitum say enye better Sompa Sport omudi share in some or your executive board chairman esa order 2 million national
yes
say be auto idea say me to company Sompa me na metre the pobedado juba form na me form and to have a company 50 day one company uji tum se eka also ube buru bebre gu so esa na se open ye enti me fa the decisions be o fire no take here because be so boa o go for our Fred Crensel then was the vice president of Ghana Football Association. The biggest mistake at that time, which I said Ebe Hanti Togbe for the rest of his life, was only Ashford and your problem. because unimre nipa ewo football no sa club no free university for over 2 decades and warani club no club na the most successful trophy 79 77 omanya the CAF Champions League 2000 papa na warani club no confidence the most successful era in the club's history led by Harry Zakor as a board chairman and CEO. You have Tom Yokai and then you have Commodore Mensah. These 3 pillars run the club for you. Papa, he saw to everything. The later Alaji has some okazo has the ultimate point. Omo kokota nipa omo hia mienu. O si and storm si fa ne week no fra. Na ura Ashford afa document. Now ono tiechi ebo mu chidom. Has a won the case. Because has institutional memory ni bibia e ono. Also by PLB chairman.
Yes.
One of the best PLB chairman. One of the most respected Ghanaian football administrators. Who need 2 grand final air on Ashford. Who didn't call Ashford call here. CEOs were appointing in a new one. So Frederick Moore, Mark Nuna, Nina, whenever. Because club no one a back send one she maybe who be toy. Oh, how is that going to do basketball board chaired by Commodore Mensah? And over toy. But nipa why ye juma nim the club no Ashford. We don't know issue now koi. Ashford koi besi and the house administrator that not be the same. Ashford a trainee me and madam for abekome. Sebi eba football juma on nimdi. Has gradio on nimtobia. Because onuna krata semni bibia fa bibia on him. Okay. One cast of person will take it easy because he argue with you about crime be a person club no pass of them boy. Yeah, club brother. My you match her. Who tell me what idea? Oh, why do you take decision be and who do you blame? Sabi talk we what in the club. It's true. He's invested so much. But oh yeah investment na Sabi bisa say omo ene o so omo share club no small. Oh investment asogli ne mo no be fa we mo na rani ana. San Crawford mean can't say me mo mo rani o. Baby mom say be a concern mudi ma odi baby mom but o hian crofom wanim de want ase se sika wa se omun tra de nanim omu ye ne ye na wa banya mfa so and has a wine and has a management wine
lote so ane ayaka bi
why
omo na rani afa yi
o do te so ka say what is mama no
me kai ba
and no aksa ko fani pa no I can't be what has he run before no disrespect. The best idea was to be NCC. Chema. So min can say omo adwuma de bi omo di many problems but club nankasa de form omo nim di. No mo bunku ntama rani ma o. Enti men blame you bia. Wa because even though I dream pan one na moto as to personal no so I wa said there no. Who find you for mom. As of this year she plays do matter. Ade her from Chris time be see ne. House of folk almost every year, all man talk 10 to 12 players. Aden. Why are you doing that? Why not think I read about class? Why go for Dutchman recruitment committee? House of folk under Tom Yoka and Harry Zakor. They had a policy. And you be a recruitment committee chaired by the CEO of the club. To be found at the top, no technical people also. That's a almost the bomb said the same thing almost how many twimby.
Almost one.
So anything I'm almost successful at that time, so almost shame, but almost one crofua, almost nim dia, almost did you man.
So almost din komo. Tiazana player be banu ye nim bibia.
And as anity.
David.
One crofua beat me for a check of fan crofua by SMP. And so anamotona kasa a dream pan or hoye, but near Bema adena sipino any honomo. And a chita for no sebu, a chita for the almost say client. Omo mobile jumedi so bebo jumedi omo product deru. Sana intina miana do na support that double. Please. John Masama munim unti omase. Supporters there. Who ye footballer? Omo here che bibia even the players here because you see supporters no okoboni bra wakwa wala to wala nsabi no wanya kakra. Ena o si ombra no fam behwebo e aden ti na so bra obehwe den DNT na oto na mo be fa ka ba kwa na mienu supporters is what has of almost so nim penifo isu enya adwen omu jomu ndi jomu ntum ombe den aba park omu ni omu akuntokwa so dabi fa ni ombe ye bia o sankrofo edie si supporters no some beba na nema ye ehi ama omu de na commentary fee because papa no cross sankrofo no anodiko enti one kasa as we speak today Togby are disconnected from the supporters because on one same kike so you bohanu
yeah
and fata you don't do that supporters no Harris come unim Harris are moving from chapter to chapter you see as me say Thomas Oka he does that and do share any breastwa so fans no one enye keke o omo ye juma information bo on fan man central for okọ chapters e catch rom Perform and Kwetia did the same thing. The second cameo was Anigodo. Oh no, could you teach me chum? It wanaka. Go round to circles. Do you see your bicycle? How do you feel? Herbert was doing that. Talking about that, when I say unknown supporters will move you around. There be. And supporters had a young man who can see. And now one kasa no one must support the who say omo hia kranche onom po team na e wo de omo ne won pre o but supporters there say bi e kokrom say ma omo trim yo mo de yes omo obi wo sika no obeba e so sra no e friends abuwe supporter the sika na nya wo de o e so ko sra no pa no cho na ombra best support with time who benefit or this kind of ba one benefit stadium yema one benefit stadium yema as what are the benefit there be a croc kasa there and as what doesn't say be omo nkrofo omo nim di one nyansa wa adwen and to be do oni club no I thought they be a mom so akwenya no so trauma adwen na fa ka ho how many thought Dombote was the House of Folk supported chapter O and omo create omo 2 omo create our Dombote if you don't come we go die from Gabua. The supporters sang that song for Harris that come move every day to bring down body. Tari Jibril.
Yes.
Tafo no for you.
Yeah.
The late can yes. And I can say supporters no kasa na otie. Omo feel say omo a part of the team. Because omo ka mpanifo tie e omo wa ho akra. But this time around tobi kan yanka. O kan yanka bi. No kan yanka bi there's a team na o dey don kwa ye. She has any talk with banter in them isn't necessary.
Vaso be any so.
We also must have quite beso. There be on my traffic. Cause team no so you the anti ran the way open in the park. Any son and pay for them by around the club. How many times that Tobico has vote training grounds?
The crown time.
Harris according to Tobico, they were regular at least twice that they were there. And it's what there's no dinky town. Look, a man who be pride be. Herbert over training power. Bava Manqueta, no go training check or was you be. Ridge, he's there.
And also the coach in here, Dibia, work outside meeting, and we all want PMB. Who live ever cost.
Bakuya Bananzia or running from a crazy Sompa. Yes, yes, I was on my training grounds. So I don't know, or yeah, he was not that week or collaborate or my training ground. And also, there be wet, so can't play a once a month, but training. Who be a miss who be and they are not making about in China me yet and the bar for every time he's there bar for boy self only for him because the business most of the and no because when he feel on him so every time no one need to be to go back your selection so the banner because of training be on who you
I was about it. On Jebeshia, your farm payment fee and co. Na the Akibia Mamma to us. So, found your watching Yaw de Babana, Yababa to us, dear, Yeremasi, Yer caught the Akibia, to us, Mamundiva, men con saying Diana, MPG Muna, the May dia, Comiamentiasio. Yeremasi, Yer caught the Akibia to us, with me, Mamundi, Yaramase Paze Moje Peniti, and Diana. Anya ya ti mehe na metimi aye na ya to aso ne ade ti ye ko